In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make video editing portfolio using Card. We'll build a clean one-page portfolio that highlights your reel, your style, and the best ways to contact you, all using Card's simple editor. Start by heading to your Card dashboard and signing in. From there, click New Site to open the template chooser. In the categories along the side, select Profile. These templates are perfect for a personal portfolio because they prioritize your name, image, short bio, and links. Browse the options and pick a design that suits video editing. Look for strong visuals, space for a headline, and clear buttons for your reel and socials. Click Select to load it into the editor. Once it opens, replace the default imagery. Click the main image area. If you see something labeled Untitled, that's the placeholder, and choose Upload. Select a high-quality headshot, a branded logo, or a clean frame that represents your editing style, then click Open. Use the crop tool to frame it well. Keep the subject centered, leave a little headroom, and match the template's aspect ratio so everything aligns. When it looks right, click Accept to apply the crop. Now, update the text. Replace the template name with your own and add a clear role like video editor. In the short bio section, mention your niche, the types of projects you cut, and the tools you use. Keep it concise and results focused. If the template includes tags or highlights, update them to reflect services such as shorts, trailers, or product videos. Next, connect everything to you. Edit each button and social icon with your actual links, your reel on YouTube or Vimeo, your portfolio playlist, and your social profiles. Make sure labels are descriptive and set links to open in a new tab. Adjust colors and typography to match your brand, maintaining good contrast for readability. Give the page a quick pass on desktop and mobile previews, tighten spacing, and compress large images for faster loading. That's it. A clean professional Card portfolio ready to showcase your editing work.